Welcome to Excel for Business People. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create your first business spreadsheet. But before I continue, please click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a system that will track your profit and loss. So on this spreadsheet, you can see the serial number, product, quantity, unit cost price, total cost price, unit selling price, total selling price, unit profit, and then total profit. So on this column, we have the quantity of products, and then on this column, we have the unit cost of these products. You know, in buying and selling, there's a cost price and the selling price. So on this sheet, I have the total cost price, the unit price, the total selling price, the unit profit, and then the total profit. So we all know that if you want to find for the profits of a specific business deal, it is the selling price minus the cost price. So on this sheet, we will first calculate for the total cost price. So for the total cost price, you just enter your equal to, then the quantity multiplied by the unit cost price. I'll just put my cursor here and then double click. And then we have the unit selling price. The unit selling price. So with the unit selling price, we would want to increase each unit cost price by 5%. Okay, so I'll enter equal to, and then I'll select this and I'll say plus, and then I'll open a parenthesis. So in the parenthesis, I'll just enter 5%. 5%. And then with the 5%, I'll multiply it by the same unit cost price, which will give us the unit selling price. So I'll press on the enter key. So after that, I'll just put my cursor here and then double click. So now I have my unit selling price. Now if I want to calculate for the total selling price, I'll just have to multiply the unit selling price by the quantity. That will give me the total selling price. Okay, so equal to, and then this multiplied by the quantity. I'll press on enter. So I have my total selling price. So I'll just double click here to have all the totals. So if I want to find for the unit profits, that is the profit for an individual product, I'll just press on the equal to, and then if I want to find for the unit profit, I'll just select the unit selling price minus the unit cost price. That will give me the unit profit. So I'll press on the enter key and then I'll come here and double click. Okay, so this means that for each product, we will have these profits margin. So for mango, we will have 0.25 pesos. For banana, we will have 0.5, let's say Ghana cedis. For this, we have 0.5. For this, we have 0.4. And then we will have 1 cedi for chocolate. And the rest have their unit profit. So I want the total profit. So the total profit is going to be the total selling price minus the total cost price. So I'll just press the equal to sign while the specific cell is active. I'll press the equal to, and then the total selling price minus the total cost price. Okay, so I'll bring my cursor here and then double click. So as you can see, we have for mango, the total profit we will have for mango is 10 cedis, for banana 15 cedis, up to the bottled water, that's the 9 cedis. So if I want to calculate for the grand total, I'll bring my cursor here and then I'll type the equal to, and I'll type sum. Okay, and I'll select all this and close the parenthesis. So as you can see, I have the total profits margin I'll gain from doing this business, that is selling mango, banana, biscuits, Fanta, chocolate, apple juice, and bottled water. So you can use this kind of formula or this process to track your profit and loss in your business. I believe this video is very helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed, I'll urge you to hit on the subscribe button and put us on post notification so that whenever we post, you have a notification. Bye bye.